What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while and sorry about the audio. It's not the best audio, but I'm just uploading this video on how to do an Arabian. So Arabians are a pretty tough trick on grass, I think, on a mat. And so you're gonna wanna have your back flip, maybe a standing front flip or just a front flip running. And you should have your Arabians on the trampoline standing easily, just like this. What you're gonna do to do the Arabian is what you're gonna, just like you're doing a backflip, act like you're doing a backflip, jump as high as you can, and then just 180, turn 180, and then front flip. That's all the Arabian is a 180 to front flip. It's not a backflip 180, all right? So, so right up, swing up, get as much height as you can. Start with just, if you can, just doing like a 90 to a front flip. So just like front flip and then to a 90. Try it really quick. But no. But yeah, so start with like a 90 to front flip. So like less than a 180. So like this to a front flip. And then, or you can start off with just doing a mini Arabian, just going like, you know, landing on your back, onto a mat obviously, or on the trampoline. But all right, so I'll show you the Arabian. Yeah, that's how to do an Arabian. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, just give it a try. They're a really fun trick. God bless. Subscribe and hit that notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later.